the last training session before tomorrow. Key for us was really just to finalize everything that we've done for the past 2 weeks in terms of defensive, offensive, and transitions that we're going to need in the match. And we focused a lot on our set plays. So the players now, they know now the starting 11. So we really had to focus just on them in terms of where they should be positioned in certain set plays. But all in all, the confidence is good. The girls are excited. I was even thinking yesterday, it's taking too long now. We want to play.
Ekimala era abakozi ba club ekimala era ekisinga okubeera nga tegeekeraga ennyanja era nanze kapiteni nga kyemuweeri tugenako ekisinga era nga mukama emugezi waffe tusuubira okwanguyira bulungi